Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We will explain about attitude instrument development. The member of Group 4 are Adam Arya Nugraha, Laila Ainur Rahma, and Ayu Suci Fatin. The first, definition of attitude. Some experts define the attitude as follow, like Chaplin defines attitude as a predisposition or a tendency that is relatively stable and persistent to behave or react in certain ways to certain objects, intuition, and problems. Fishbein defining attitude is a learned emotional predisposition to respond consistently to an object. Huruk, attitude is a latent variable that underlies, direct, and influence behavior. Through defense attitude as a mental or emotional readiness for some type of action in the right situation. And Gable argues that attitude is a mental or nervous readiness that is structured through experience and has a direct influence on individual response to all object or situation related to that object. Harlan argues that attitude is a person's readiness or tendency to act in the face of a certain object or situation. And the last, Popham, attitude is only part of the affective domain which include behavior such as feeling, interest, emotion, and attitudes. From some of the definition above, it can be concluded that attitude is a reaction to an incentive or situation faced by an individual. Attitude is one of the very important psychological aspect of an individual because attitude is a tendency to behave so that many colors a person's behavior. The attitude of each person varies both in quality and type of that individual behavior varies. Next, attitude component. Attitude is one of the elements of personality that influence how a person acts and behaves. A person's attitude toward an object or other people he is facing is reflected in the way he reacts to what he is facing. Hence, attitude do not stand alone. Attitude can be divided into three components. They are cognitive, affective, and cognitive. First, cognitive. Components that are related to aspects of knowledge, views, belief, namely various things related to people's perception of attitude object. Second, affective. Component related to feeling happy or unhappy with the object of the attitude, related to the direction of the attitude, either positive or negative. And the last, conative component related to the tendency to act on the object of attitude, namely how much a person's tendency to act or behave toward the object of attitude. Next is attitude assessment. From regulation of Minister of Education and Culture number 23, assessment of student learning outcome is primary and secondary education include aspect attitudes, knowledge, and skills. Attitude assessment as referred to in point above is an activity carried out by educators to obtain descriptive descriptive information about the behaviors of students. The assessment of attitudinal aspect is carried out in stages. First, ob- observing the behaviors of students during learning. Record the behavior of students using observation or observation sheet. Following up on the result of the observation and describe the behavior of student. In the 2013 curriculum, attitudes are divided into two types, namely spiritual attitudes and social attitudes. This separation is needed to emphasize the importance of a balance of function as a whole human being, which includes spiritual and social aspects as mandated in the goals of national education. Okay. The attitude divides to their spiritual attitude and social attitude. Spiritual attitude are related to the formation of students to become believer and fear God Almighty. Spiritual attitude refers to core competence one or KI1 in 2013 curriculum, which state that spiritual attitude is an attitude to always accept, appreciate, and practice the teaching of the religion that one adheres to. Second, social attitude. Social attitude are related to the formation of students who are noble, independent, democratic, and responsible. Social attitude is an individual's awareness that determines a real action toward social object. Social object in social attitude is the person in the group. Social attitude refers to core competency 2 or KI2 in 2013 curriculum, which state that social attitude is an attitude that shows honest, discipline, responsible, polite, caring, and confidence behavior in interaction with family, friends, teachers, and neighbor, and also love the homeland. Okay, so conclusion. Attitude assessment is an activity that is complex in nature because it relates to value and object that cannot be measured directly. The result of attitude assessment must be understood as a process outcome, not as a result, not as a result or output of an instant learning process that is assessed by educators every time they complete the learning process. Therefore, this assessment is an accumulative process that is judgmental by educators toward student behavior over a certain period of time, for example, half or one semester, which is based on observation and certain recording with defined behaviors indicator. Okay, this for me, and the next explanation will be explained by my partner. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.